Okay guys, so as I told you that I'm going to help you to install the Photoshop, then after that we will start with the project, right? So just go to your browser, and if you get to your browser, if you were not able to download the Photoshop at the last video, this video also I will put the link at the description, as you can see here, right? So just check the description of this video also, and you will see this link over there, right? That's my Google Drive for you guys, so that you can get the Photoshop here rather than stressing yourself to download it yourself, right? So you click on the link, my Google Drive link. You can click on this blue icon, this blue button, or you can just go to download here, right? And if you click on download, when you get here, just click on download anyway, and the Photoshop is going to download. Then you can see that the Photoshop is downloading, right? The zip file is downloading here, right? Okay guys, so when you are done with downloading the zip file, you can see that file here, right? So if you, as you can see here, you just right click on it, then you go to extract files, right? Maybe you will not have the WinRAR, but you will have something else. You can go to your, if you right click on it, just search for extract files. Maybe it will not be the same as mine, and the icon is showing, but it's the same thing as you extract so far. So just click on the extract. Okay, and here you click on OK. So as you can see, it starts to extract. So wait for it to finish extract. So as your file is done extracting, you can see it here. Just open this folder, and as you guys can see my folder here, you can see that I have the folder here. Just open this folder, open it again, and as you can see at the bottom, we have the setup there, right? You can see the setup at the bottom, and the application is shown here, right? You just click that, double click on the setup. Okay, so as you can see, it's starting, right? It's starting the Photoshop. It's 2019. It's Photoshop 2019, but it's cool. It's very good. As you want to start with this, it's the same thing with the upgrade, just some small functionalities, right? It's the same thing with the upgrade. It's just some small functionalities. Okay, so here you just go to continue, but maybe if you want to change the language, you can change it here. As for me, I want the international English. And if you want to also change the location, it's also here. So if you don't want to do those things, just go to continue, and as you get here, you wait for it to finish. Just wait for it to finish installing, and as you can see, mine has started and I have 5, right? So in our next video, we are going to start with the real work of Photoshop, right? So thank you very much for being with me, and make sure you finish downloading this video and continue at the next video, right? Okay, bye bye.